Well, my name is Erick Moore. The degrees I've obtained are instrumentation control and electrical degrees, and I've also earned my industrial maintenance mechanic degree. So those are the two degrees which are associates of applied science. In 2019, I got my degrees, and I had to work really hard for it. There were times where it was super rough, and there were times where I actually had to live in my car for about 6 months. But I still pushed through it. I still came every day, did the homework I needed to do, turned it in on time, and made sure I got good grades. And I believe I graduated the whole program with a 4.0. During that whole 2019 period, we also moved out to the reservation where we had to travel 50 miles here to town and then 50 miles back to the reservation every day for like a whole year. And we still made it here. And no matter what, I saw the vision that this would come one day. Now I have a career with TSMC, which is a Taiwan semiconductor manufacturing company. So I'll be going to Taiwan for a year to train, and after that I'll be relocated to Phoenix, Arizona. School of Energy is just amazing, and the whole college really. If you're going to choose a college, I would choose San Juan College and the School of Energy. San Juan College really helped me grow as a person. I've met a lot of amazing people here that really helped me along the way. Summer Brigade, she really helped me out a lot. Mike Lindsay, my instructor for industrial maintenance mechanics. Chin Shozer, Ivan Ward, Ed Wasick. They're just all of them. Everybody here, everybody here really helped me out for sure. The teachers are amazing. Everything I learned really helped me, push me forward towards my new career. It really helped me out a lot. The advice I have for new students who are taking these programs or just in college in general, I would say to just see it, vision it, and make sure to do your work. It's hard not to procrastinate, but it'll definitely pay off in the end if you just keep on it, keep doing your work, turning it in on time, and doing what you need to do to secure your position in the future with whatever job or whatever company you pursue. Like I told my girlfriend, you have to see it, you have to vision it, see the bigger picture, and you have to look through the struggle, because if you don't, what are you living for? You have to see it, and for me, I've always seen it, and I knew one day I was going to get there.